Hello students, I am the third year's experienced physics faculty. I want to simplify your problems. Practically what happens, students want to study but they are not understanding the problem how to solve it. So that's my effort is to simplify it. Such as I am taking one example. This is an equation of the plane progressive waves, or equation you can say traveling wave or plane progressive waves. This is the equation. Out of this equation you have to find amplitude, wavelength, time period and frequency of the wave, and distance of the particle. This is a wave. You can consider that let its wave in a string. So at time t equal 20 second and distance x equal 30 centimeter, you have to find the position of y, or y is the particle SHM motion. In waves there are two motions, particle SHM motion, and this due to this there is a design in the string, and this design is the wave. Velocity of the wave will be constant, but velocity of the particle that making SHM motion, that is not constant. In this question, this is the equation of plane progressive waves. So first of all, write the corresponding equations. Y equal, you may write r sine omega t minus kx plus phi naught, or you can write r sine this terms first, kx minus omega t, if phi naught you have taken as a 0, because in this equation there is no phi naught. Now you are comparing this with this. So this implies r is amplitude. In this equations terms meaning must be clear to you. R represent amplitude. Here r is amplitude. This is 0.005 millimeter. If it is in SI unit, so this is the 5 millimeter. If it is SI unit, so 0.005 meter will be, it is 5 millimeter. And omega, this equation correspond with this. This is with this. So k is 80. Here k is 80 and k is 2 pi by lambda. This is called angular this is k is called angular wave number. This is represented by k. This is the k. Out of this you will find the lambda, and next it is given 3t. Here is omega t. So omega correspond to 3. That is omega equal 3 and omega is 2 pi by t. So from this you will find the time period. You will associate with this. You will find the time period, and 1 upon t is frequency. Frequency is 1 upon t. So you will find frequency. So these results you will find. Last one is y. To find y means, what is the y? This is the amplitude, and y is at position x, time t, displacement. Let it is the x and time is t. So this is the y. This is the y. Displacement of the particle at position x at time t. This is the y. So what is the y? When displacement is 30 centimeter, position is 30 centimeter, and time t is 20 seconds. So in this, what will you do? You need y equal r sin kx minus omega t. So in this is 0.005 meter, sin k is 2 pi by lambda, so k is 80 and x is 30 centimeter. By SI unit 30 upon 100 minus omega is -3 and time t is 20 second. It is 20. This is on simplification. On simplification, you will find -36. So y equal 0.005 sin -36. Sine table is in plus and this is in radian. This is in radian and sine table in plus. So convert in this. Now this is the main point of the question, that how will you find 5 millimeter. In this case, y equal 0.005 sin -36. This is in radian. This is in radian, number multiplication result. This is not in degree. This is in radian. -36 plus 12 pi. Why 12 pi? 1 pi is 3.14 roughly, and to convert into this is the main point of the question. To convert into plus angle, I am adding 12 pi. Now question is, why 12 pi? Why 12 pi only? Because pi is 3.14 and 12 3s are 36. So if multiply by, so this value becomes more than 36. More than 36. Please clear it. So its result is, on simplification, you will find y equal 0.005 sin -36 plus it is 37.71. That is 0.005 sin and it is 1.71 radian. 1.71, it's in radian. That is 0.005 sin. Now you will convert this into radian. So it is 98.03 degree. 98.03 degree. You converted this in radian. Pi radian is 180 degree. Pi radian is 180 degree. So now further, what will you do? On simplification, this you will find 5 millimeter. Point this 0.05 millimeter. That is practically you are getting 0.005 meter. This is equal to 5 millimeter. This is the answer. This is the process to simplify it. In case you have any difficulties, so please inform me. My main objective is not to give you a solution. My objective is to simplify it. My objective is that you must clear it, that how will you do it, how to attempt it. Only this is, and the main difficult point to explain. So now I am going to start next question.